Never tell a reporter that's off the record. You can ask that something might be off the record. You cannot tell a reporter off the record. I know you see it that way in the movies and TV shows. That isn't how it works in the real world. A reporter does not have to grant you permission to speak off the record. Some media organizations don't even let their reporters go off the record with sources. So if you want to go off the record, you need to ask first. You need to say to the reporter, may I go off the record with you? And you need to hear them and ideally see them shaking their heads yes and saying yes. Then and only then would I go off the record. Now, I have a whole other series of videos of when to go off the record, do's and don'ts, and pros and cons of going off the record. The purpose of this video is just to clarify, if you're going to go off the record, you don't tell a reporter. They're not your employees. You're not their boss. You ask, number one. Number two, you wait until you have verbal and ideally visual assent to your request. I'm TJ Walker. I teach people how to speak more effectively to the news media. If you would like more tips on this, you can get my book, Media Training A to Z, at no charge, just by going to mediatrainingworldwide.com. We also have live in-person media training workshops once a month in New York and private trainings all over the world, plus online live media training as well.